Hi, I'm John Hazzard, and for me, it's all about food. Well, today I'm excited to make for you green mango juice. Right now it's May here in Barbados and we have a lot of mangoes in season. And so I took some green mango and I have one right here, a green mango right here. And I took green mango and I just washed it, didn't have to peel it, took it off the seed and passed it through my juicer. And all I did is very simple, just 3 ingredients. Mango, the green mango juice, water, and simple syrup. And I just combine those ingredients together, pour it over a glass with some ice, and it's amazing. So all we have here really is some green mango juice. And this here, I'm going to give this here just a little stir. And this is 16 ounces of green mango juice. I'm going to pour this into my jar. So that's 16 ounces. And this recipe here is going to yield you 1 liter. This is 12 ounces of water. So we pour that in there as well too. And then we have 4 ounces of simple syrup. And basically simple syrup is just equal parts water and white sugar, granulated sugar is what I use. Bring it to a boil, turn it off and let it cool. But you can infuse it with some bay leaf, some cinnamon sticks, some star anise, some cardamom pods, some lemon rind or skin, to give it some additional flavor, whatever you want to infuse it with. So we're going to add 4 ounces of the simple syrup into our jug here. And all we do now is we just take a spoon and we give this a nice little stir. And that's it, just 3 simple ingredients. It was the 16 ounces of the green mango juice, which was juiced in my juicer, the 12 ounces of tap water, and 4 ounces of simple syrup. And I will also have this recipe along with a simple syrup recipe as well too in the description below. So I'm just going to put some ice into my glass now. So just going to transfer this right here. So I'm just going to ice up my glass and pour my beverage. And I love a lot of ice. And again, what you can do too, because the simple syrup, what I did, the simple syrup is already dissolved. So all I did really was chill the water, ice cold water, and then the simple syrup. So it wasn't sugar that had to take some time for the granules to dissolve. It was already dissolved. And then we're just going to pour a nice glass. Oh, that looks so delicious. Look at that color. That is so delicious. And then all we do now is to taste this amazing green mango juice. That is so amazing. And this is so amazing on a hot summer's day. And right now in Barbados, it is so hot, extremely hot outside. And when it's hot, I love to make a nice lemonade. But now I'm making a green mango juice, which is nutritious, a good way to use up your green mangoes as well too, but also delicious. And I tell you, I want you guys to go and try this recipe. You will really enjoy it. So again, the recipe is in the description below. And if you're from any Caribbean island, St. Lucia, Jamaica, St. Vincent, Dominica, of course I'm from Barbados, we all have mangoes. Just go ahead and pick some green mangoes, juice them, simple syrup water, and you have the most amazing beverage. So if you've enjoyed this show, please go ahead and like, subscribe, leave a comment, or leave some comments as well. And again, I am John Hazzard, and for me, it's all about food, and today is all about drink, which is food too. See you next time. I'm going to go ahead and enjoy my green mango juice.